Every day is a great day to celebrate, and in this week's I'm Glad You Asked, News Channel 5's meteorologist Nikki-Dee helps us get the party started.
I was completely shocked when I asked y'all, what questions you have? What do you want to see? And so many came back with, show me a balloon arch. Now, I am not an expert, but if you follow me on social media, you know that we do keep balloons in our house. It's a fun way to learn colors. It's a fun activity. And they stay up for a really long time. So all you really need is an air pump, or if you got a lot of hot air, you can do it yourself. I prefer to use an air pump. You can get these kits off Amazon, or if you want to, you can pick out all the balloons yourself. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just dump them all out. And in your balloon arch kit, you're gonna get some glue dots, and you're gonna get this wire. I say wire, it's plastic little string that we're gonna use to put it all together. We will take the balloons and then we divide the balloons up by size and color. And then, once you get them all divided, you're just gonna blow things up. What color is this one? You know what color this is, pink. That's right, so y'all ready to blow up the pink one? This comes in your little kit. It's basically little keyholes. So you're gonna take the balloons, you'll place it in, pull it through, and then pull it tight. And if you want it to be bigger, broader, you alternate this way, that way, and you just keep on going. So for some of these smaller balloons, what I like to do is I'll just take them, tie them together, and then you're gonna put it through the keyhole. And because they are tied together, they're gonna look poofier and puffier, and that just gives more of a three-dimensional look to your balloon arch. Another tip I've learned is glue dots. You just take some glue dots, which do come in your kit, glue them together, and then you're gonna place them side by side. You can make whatever shape you want, and then once you hang this on your wall, you would go and put this in some of the empty spots. The key is never to let the little tails show. So I'm gonna keep placing these in here. You can make it as big or as small as you want. You just keep going back and forth. That's exactly what I've been doing. We just kind of fast forwarded time just a little bit and make it what you want. There are no rules, no regulations, nothing. So we've got some bigger ones up top, then you continue to go down. And because we had extra balloons, we did an overflow station to kind of make it look as if it's a bubble bath. That was kind of the idea we were going for, just how balloons are just flowing everywhere. That string that I showed you with the little holes, it's still connected on our wall, but we chose just a bit, basically almost a barrette on the door frame. These things can go anywhere, they're super inexpensive, and they're really fun. The best part is, it teaches your little ones about colors. Balloons are always a great indication of wind, so we'll take them outside and you can see what direction the wind's blowing in as well. I know this seems a little random, but this is what y'all wanted to see and I had to share. I'm so glad you asked. If you've got arts and crafts, a weather question, send them on over. Just email Nikki-Dee.Ray@newschannel5.com.